Hello guys, today I'm going to make a fridge. It will in lokicraft. It will work in Minecraft manual 2020 and Java edition and Bedrock edition, all of the Minecrafts, and I'm going to make the fridge. Now we need dropper, cobblestones, iron door, redstone, lever and bread. Now let's get started. Place the dropper here. We'll just sit. Place the cobblestones and at the back also, and place the redstone in here. Join the redstone with the dropper and join with the lever. Now let's put the iron door in here and here too. Let's open it. Now place some bread in here. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's get started. Ha! Yes, guys, it worked. It worked, guys. It worked. Yes, it worked, guys. Yes. Gracias. Now, thank you for watching, guys.